We all know how hectic those busy back to school mornings can be, but I'm going to help you streamline your breakfast routine with a few easy grab and go breakfast ideas. All of these recipes can be prepped in advance so that they're ready to go when you're trying to get the kids out the door. First are these grab and go breakfast pancake sandwiches. This is an all-in-one bacon, egg, and cheese pancake sandwich that can be made in bulk in advance and can be refrigerated or even frozen to store and reheat later. After making scrambled eggs and crumbled bacon, prepare pancake mix according to package directions, then pour an even number of medium-sized pancakes out onto a preheated griddle and make them in pairs. Once the edges of the pancakes become drier, sprinkle the tops of one of the pancakes in each pair with scrambled eggs, the crumbled bacon or sausage, and cheese. Drizzle syrup on top, then take the untopped pancakes and flip them on top of the pancakes with the toppings. The plain pancake should still be a little moist in the center. Press the top pancake down firmly so the sandwich seals itself together, and continue cooking on the griddle until the pancakes are cooked through, flipping once so that both sides brown evenly. Allow to cool, then wrap securely in foil and store in a large zipper bag to grab later. These make-ahead breakfast burritos are a huge time saver for busy mornings. The recipe makes a large batch of 10 breakfast burritos so that you can freeze them individually, then reheat as needed. This is great for that busy back-to-school time of year. Place your tortillas on squares of aluminum foil. Start with a layer of cheese. This cheese layer is actually protective for the flour tortillas to keep them from getting soggy from the wet ingredients. Add scrambled eggs, crumbled bacon or sausage, salsa, and cooked breakfast potatoes. I use the frozen potatoes O'Brien that have the peppers and the onions. Tightly roll the burritos by tucking the tops and bottoms in first, and then after rolling you can always tuck in the top and bottom further if needed. Place the burrito on the foil diagonally and start wrapping by tucking the sides in first, then tightly wrapping the foil all the way around the burritos. Place them in a freezer bag and then try to get as much air out of the bag as possible before sealing and freezing. When you're ready to serve, remove it from the foil, place it on a plate, cover with a paper towel, and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or until warmed through. This last one is an overnight oat milk chia pudding. This easy superfood breakfast is vegan, dairy-free, and prepped in just minutes, then ready to eat in the morning. Whisk together oat milk, chia seeds, maple syrup, and vanilla extract in a large mason jar. Cover securely and place in the fridge for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, shake the jar to keep the seeds from settling at the bottom. Set a timer for 5 more minutes, then shake the jar vigorously again. Chill for at least 4 hours or overnight. When you're ready to serve, layer the chia pudding with granola or nuts and fruits, followed by another layer of each in a cup or small bowl like a parfait. This recipe creates 4 2/3 cup servings of chia pudding that you can top however you like, and it'll last about 5 days in the fridge. You can get all of the detailed recipes on fabeveryday.com, and be sure to follow Fab Every Day for lots more easy ideas like this.